Hello everybody, I'm Scotty. Welcome back to Scotty's Clock World. I saw this method of cleaning dirty cuckoo clock chains on a YouTube channel. I forget which one it was. This is a dirty chain I need to clean up. I'm going to try out this method and see if it works. This is a product they were using, a product called CLR. So I'll put some into a dish I've got here. Sufficient to cover the chain. Put that down there. I'll drop the chain into it. And I'll move the chain around a bit so it gets fully covered by the solution. We're going to leave it in here for a while and see how effective it is, what effect it has on it. Initially we'll move it around a little bit. Then I'll take it up in my hand. Give it a bit of a scrub around with the toothbrush, see if we can loosen some of the rust that's so prevalent on this chain. Seems to be foaming up pretty well. I'll drop the chain back into the liquid again. Move it round a bit. I'll pick it up again and getting some more liquid in the toothbrush. I'll continue to rub it with the toothbrush. Certainly seems to be removing some rust from it. There's the liquid's nowhere as clean as it was when we first started. Seems to be getting some stuff off it, that's for sure. Right, I'll put the chain down the bottom there, the bottom corner, drop it in the sink plug hole so that we can get that. That's our chain, we'll drop it in there. We'll leave it there for half an hour and we'll see how effective it is and how much it cleans the rust off the chain. Right, the chain's been sitting in the CLR for at least half an hour now. We'll agitate it around a little bit and we'll take it out. Run some cold water over the top and see if it's made any difference. It certainly appears to have. The CLR's looking pretty grubby. Alright, there's our chain. I'll run some water over that. In the other bowl of the sink that you can't see. Then we'll have a look and see what that looks like. It doesn't look too bad actually. I'll get a towel and dry that off. That'll give us a more accurate view once we get the excess of the water off the top. Looks nice and shiny. It'll be hiding rust. So that's pretty dry now. It doesn't look too bad. We'll take that back to the bench, put it under a stronger light. We'll have a better look and see what it looks like. Right, we're back at the bench again. That's what our chain looks like. It's come up pretty well. Still a little bit damp, but it's come up pretty well. And this is the other chain that I did a little while ago using CLR. I'm very pleased how they've come up. They're certainly looking all right. A hell of a lot better than they did when they first started off. Well, that CLR certainly seems to work.